With the support of Enterprise Ireland, the DCU Ryan Academy has developed a Female High Fliers programme, which is specifically aimed at helping female-led companies accelerate their business. The 2015 programme is about to start in April. We're shortlisting today for the 10 companies who will be chosen to go on that programme. The programme will cover business development skills and soft skills training. In addition, we will also provide mentoring and networking opportunities for the companies. The programme will then end in July with a finale demo day at which the companies will pitch to an audience of mentors and investors in the hope of securing follow-on funding.
Our business is Mintech Circuits, and at the moment we're supplying printed circuit boards, and we want to make it faster, easier and cheaper for people to access printed circuit boards. So we're connecting our customers with manufacturers all over the world, and eventually our vision is that we will provide one site and one mobile app where people can source all of their hardware requirements. So you can go from, our tagline is from mind to model, so you can go from an idea to a hardware product using our services, and we make it easy and seamless and cheap for our customers.
I see people coming into the hardware industry or to the hardware development industry that were never there before, that have never been involved in electronics design. I mean, Gartner talk about the Internet of Things, the penetration within all industries is less than 10%, which means that the hardware development market, which is what we're targeting, is about to explode. And I think the next 20 years are going to be hugely interesting, specifically when you consider what Sam Altman recently said about the softwareization of things, where everything that's hardware is going to at some point have software inside it, which means that everything is going to be connected.
Feels Right is an employee reward and recognition platform which enables company to give credit to staff either as onboarding or offboarding, part of their package, or just to say thank you on an incentive. And how it works is they give credit to their staff. The staff then can utilise this credit to delegate anything that they want to do for their personal to-do list. So this could be walking a dog, getting their food shop delivered, packed away in the fridge. When they get home, it's all done. UPC are coming to install something. We can have somebody waiting there so they don't have to take a day off work. So it's all about engaging staff, about rewarding staff, about increasing productivity and reducing stress and absenteeism. This is my second business, so I think second time round I learned a lot from the first time round. So this time round I think challenges were definitely IP, branding. I've rebranded in the last year, renamed it, new ideology and ethos. Tech requirements as well, that was a big thing, big back-end bill for us, so that's changed a lot. But, you know, constantly learning, which is a challenge and something I love to do.
Okay, well, it's a medical healthcare startup and the name is Health Evident. And what we're aiming to do is to provide a bridgeway between healthcare professionals to patients in order to entice patient engagement. We're also providing software tools and analytics for healthcare professionals to monitor and track high-risk patients from the comfort of their own homes. The analytics really would be based on a dashboard where the patient could download it through their app or their iPad, and it will allow the patient to contact directly with their healthcare professional. It will allow them to track appointments and, more importantly, medication adherence, to keep track of their medication if they skip medication, and they can also view education tools that would be synced to their own medical treatment plan. They can upload videos and pictures and documents, and from the healthcare professional side they can review data, they can share data, and they can also implement schedules, a disease program plan, and they'll also become alert if any patient were to fall into the high risk category.
We're HealthBridge Technology, and our startup is designing a mobile app and clinical dashboard for use in the mental health therapies, because there's an awful lot of people who are requiring support between clinical visits, but there are finite resources to service them.
After working in mental health for numerous years, we've found that in between sessions, patients often find that they have forgotten about the information they've been given, they feel isolated. If they've been becoming unwell, they're unsure who to contact. And if they are becoming unwell, clinicians don't find out till too far down the line. So what we wanted to do was to improve the communication in between sessions for patients so that they were able to freely talk with the clinicians as and when was needed.
UniPupil is a one-stop global educational portal connecting international students with education institutions and education agents all over the world.
Well, UniPupil is a really new product going out in the market, so we have a challenge to get it out there, see how people respond, develop a unique sales process for it and get people on board and scale it up.
Photo by Photo is a one-stop platform delivering fast quality image search and processing for high demand enterprise stock photography users and consumers? Well, at the moment, the image processing offer is quite lightweight. What we want to do is aggregate the imagery, first of all, onto the platform, and from that, we're providing the processing tools to enable the user to actually proceed and edit the image and start getting it ready for publishing.
Dalrymple.ie is an online beauty resource website. We retail beauty products from your little independent niche organic natural brands to the bigger, more established brands around the world like Clarins, Declior, Neostrata.
It's a platform for yoga services online. It's a global platform. So like when I travel, I like to do yoga. But in the past, I'm always faced with like unattractive options. I can either stumble across yoga in a park if I'm lucky, or else I can spend hours searching for a yoga class online. So this is a solution to that. Yeah, the major challenge, and I think most startups face it, is around resource. There's so much to do, and the sooner we get more people full time on our working on our project, the better.